Welcome back, investors and blockchain enthusiasts. Today, we are going to walk through the official process of acquiring GADUCoin directly via Uniswap. To ensure safety and speed, we always recommend starting from our official website, GADUCoin.com. By clicking the Trade on Uniswap button, you automatically import the correct token address, ensuring you are interacting with the genuine asset and avoiding any manual errors. Once you are on the Uniswap interface, the first step is to connect your digital wallet. Click Connect and select your provider. For example, MetaMask. Please ensure your wallet holds enough Ethereum not just for the purchase, but also to cover the network gas fees. If you see a pop-up regarding other networks like Solana, simply ignore it. You will know your wallet is successfully connected when you see your unique hexadecimal address appear in the top right corner of the screen. Now, enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to invest. The system will calculate the GADUCoin output in real time. But before you swap, pay close attention. You must click the gear icon to open the settings. You need to manually set the max slippage to 12%. This is critical. Why 12%? Because 5% is automatically burned. 5% goes to liquidity, and the remaining 2% covers market volatility and Uniswap fees. Also, set the transaction deadline to 5 minutes to prevent the trade from hanging. Click Review. You might encounter a yellow warning from Blockade labeling it a possible honeypot. Do not be alarmed. This is a standard automatic flag for new tokens with no trading history. As we stated in the white paper, the contract ownership is fully renounced, making a honeypot technically impossible. We have already submitted our security proofs to Blockade to remove this false positive. Simply click Continue, and then confirm the transaction in your wallet pop-up to finalize the swap. Once confirmed, you can verify your transaction on the chart. You are now officially a holder of GADUCoin. If you ever wish to sell, the process is simply the reverse, swapping Gadu back to Ethereum, using the same slippage settings. Welcome to the fraternity. See you on the blockchain.